The COVID-19 pandemic has united the whole country into one family, whose each and every member is contributing its bit to sail through these hard times. But a few among them have just changed the definitions of compassion and empathy with their extraordinary efforts and have become an inspiration for all. One among them is the members of a charitable organization, Mercy Mission in Bengaluru, who have stepped in to give COVID-19 victims a dignified send-off no matter which caste or community they belong to. Have a look.
COVID-19 has posed several challenges before the country, among which performing the last rites of the patients who succumbed to the disease is the major one. In many cases, the family of a deceased is in quarantine itself, while in few the family may not be willing to accept the body of the patient as the contamination levels are too high and there are even chances of fatal infection if not handled with care. In such a situation, volunteers from Mercy Mission, a Bengaluru-based charitable organization that was launched about 4 months back, have stepped in to give COVID-19 victims a dignified send-off. Led by Dr. Taha Mateen, who is also the head of the HBS hospital in Bengaluru, these volunteers, famously known as Mercy Angels, have been working relentlessly to perform the last rites of those killed by the infectious disease. Irrespective of the caste and community of the deceased, they perform the last rites and never let the religious barriers come in the way of their duty.
Well, I think COVID, number one, and death has brought everybody together. There is no dead Muslim, dead Hindu, dead Christian, everybody is the same, right? So yes, this is about coming over all those barriers of race and citizenship and class and religions and all these artificial barriers we have created between human beings. I think COVID has united us all, put everybody together, and has given a loud voice, hey, human beings, get together. At the end of the day, we are all human. So we respect people's religions. We respect their individual feelings. You want to be buried in this way, we help you out. You want to be buried in this way or cremated in this way, we help it out. It is not for us to tell you what the correct thing is, this is right or that. You want this, I will help you in that.
The team has a dedicated ambulance and practices high hygiene standards while dealing with the bodies. They wear personal protective equipments and sanitize their vehicles and equipment every time. Though the task is risky, but Mercy Angels remain undeterred in their efforts to serve the society.
I am here from last 25 years in a medical field. We know the consequences, what are the virus, what is this thing and all. Since I am in the lab in charge, okay? And for a second thought of that, when we are doing a good things, why we should be scared?
Rising above religious biases and working with only motive to serve the humanity, this is what the Mercy Angels have been doing. Their work is inspiration for everyone to come forward and help the country at this time of need.